channel.
Hi friends! It's Miss Ryan again and Aria. And today we're going to play with a latches board and we're going to work on some words like help and open and maybe what, because we're going to see what is inside. All right, let's get ready to play. This is our latches board. All right, Aria. Which one should we start with? There are different numbers and colors. What color is this one?
Red.
Yeah, I see red. All right, what should we do with the red door?
Open
it.
Please.
Oh, do you need help?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can sign
Mama,
help like this.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
Maybe after we get help on these, we can do. I don't need any help with these opening.
Okay, so I'll help with these, and then you can open these.
Got it.
All right, I will help you open number 4. Ready? Let's
open.
What do you see?
I see 4 bunnies.
I see 4 red bunnies. Good job. Let's close it. Which one should we open next?
This one.
What number is that?
5.
5.
Help open.
You need help? Okay, I will help you open it. Slide it over and
open. 5 froggies.
5 green frogs. All right, let's close it back up. Aria, which one should we do now?
This one.
What number is that?
6.
6.
Help opening.
Help open. Okay, I will help you. Open. Aria, what do you see?
6 bunnies. 6 fish.
6 fishies, 6 orange fish. All right, now which number should we do?
I can open.
You can open it?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to open?
This one.
This one. Open! What do you see?
I see a horse.
It's a purple horse, a purple pony. I see purple. Close. Now which one should we do?
This one.
Open. What do you see?
2 doggies.
2 blue doggies. What does a doggie say? Ruff, ruff. Very good. Do you need help?
No.
You got it. Okay, which number should you do now?
3.
Number 3. Let's open number 3.
3 cats.
What do you see?
3 cats.
3 yellow cats. Okay, close it back up. Very good, Aria. Did we do them all?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we all done?
Yeah.
All done. Bye.
Bye.